Ebyo nabigambirwe n'omuyobozi w'abakuru mu pooriisi ya Uganda babiri beteranira mu district ya Sheema barukucenjera abo kubasa kuba basarukare aho babandize no kwiruka bakaheza bakazaha interviews zibandize kubuza bwo mu kanwa batyo bakahenderenezo kuhandika.
This is the beginning of your career in the force. Okay? So when you're beginning, you have to put much interest in what you're doing.
Discipline is very much important. Listen to the instructions that they give you. If you don't listen to the instructions, I don't think you'll have a future in the forces.
You'll be my representatives in the training wing as people from where? From Sheema. So I want to be getting a report from the administration in police training school that the people you sent us are very well behaved. Is that okay?
Ababiri batara harist kandi batinde nabahandiko nibo babandize kuruga mu mushana gutakajwire.
So for you are not even going to get involved into this exercise.
Like that hair, we'll have to trim it. So if you feel you don't want it, that you are here to be trimmed, you don't go with it.
When you're running, yes, you hold someone's hand. It's called teamwork. Yes. Hey. You'll have people to support you.
You can even carry one.
You can even carry.
Don't allow them. Don't leave our mamas behind.
Bamwe habashyira hakamaririzo bagambira habunje bashaziremo kuzomba pooriisi.
Ekindetire naza omukujoininga pooriisi no kugira ngo ineshete ngo cyo kora ihanga ryanjye harengo rwa pooriisi kandi no kuranisa abantu abarukora evi omu Uganda.
Joininga Uganda Police, it is to protect and serve properties.
Abarukutoranwa nabo bari hagati y'imyaka 18 na 23 kandi abayiriza sine yakana kandi gombora yakasano mu district ya Sheema niyo singire yo kureta minyeto nyingero kwenda kuhereza ihanga gasha kwa Mike atwakire.